Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing $500, $1,000, maybe even $5,000 deposited into your account, all while you were sleeping. No boss, no office, just a faceless YouTube channel running 24/7, powered by AI, making you money while you live life on your terms. Now, before you roll your eyes and think, sounds too good to be true, let me hit you with a harsh reality. The digital world is moving fast. Right now, there's an 18-year-old somewhere who's already using AI to create viral YouTube videos. And by the time you finish this video, they'll be one step closer to financial freedom while you're still thinking about starting. Scary, right? But here's the good news. I'm about to show you exactly how to launch a faceless YouTube channel in your 18s using AI. Step by step, no fluff. And if you stay until the end, I'll share a secret strategy that'll skyrocket your channel's growth, something 99% of new creators don't even know about. Ready? Let's go. So, why a faceless YouTube channel? Why not just, get a normal job? Well, let's break it down. YouTube is a $30 billion industry. You don't need to show your face to grab a piece of that pie. AI has made content creation ridiculously easy. You can generate scripts, voiceovers, and videos without ever picking up a camera. Passive income is the key to financial freedom. You work once, and your videos keep making money for years. But here's the best part. The competition is weak. Most people are too scared to start. They think they need fancy equipment, a perfect voice, or some special talent. You don't. You just need the right strategy, and that's what I'm giving you today. So, let's dive into step one. Before you even think about making a video, you need to choose the right niche. And no, anything that interests me is not the answer. You need a niche that's high demand. People are actively searching for it. Monetizable. Advertisers love it. Easy to create content for, so AI can do most of the work. Here are three golden niches for faceless channels: personal finance and investing, because money never goes out of style; tech and AI updates. AI is taking over, and people want to stay ahead; health and self-improvement, because everyone wants to be better. Now, once you've picked your niche, what's next? This is where AI really kicks in. Cliffhanger. Because if you think you need to spend hours writing scripts, think again. Writing scripts is hard, unless you let AI do it for you. With tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and WriteSonic, you can generate engaging scripts in seconds. But here's the trick. AI scripts can sound robotic if you don't tweak them. So here's what you do. Add personal touches. Use humor, emotion, and pattern interrupts like, "Hey, still with me? Good, because this next part is a game changer." Keep sentences short and punchy. No one likes robotic essays. Make the first 10 seconds irresistible. If you don't hook them, they're gone. Cliffhanger. Now that we have a killer script, how do we turn it into a video without ever showing our face? Gone are the days of spending hours editing videos. Now, AI does the heavy lifting. Tools like Pictory, InVideo, and Synthesia can transform your scripts into high-quality videos with AI-generated voices, stock footage, and animations. The best part? You don't need to show your face, record your voice, or even edit manually. It's all automated. Pattern interrupt. Seriously, at this point, even my dog could start a YouTube channel. But what's a video without a great voice? Let's fix that next. If you're worried about sounding awkward on camera, I've got news for you. AI voices are scary good now. Apps like 11 Labs and Murph AI can generate natural, human-like voices that sound better than most real voices. Want a deep, authoritative voice? Done. Want something friendly and upbeat? Easy. Want to sound like Morgan Freeman? Okay, maybe not that good, but close. Cliffhanger. Now that we have a full AI generated video, how do we get people to actually watch it? You can have the best video in the world, but if no one clicks, it's useless. That's why thumbnails and titles are everything. Here's the strategy. Clickbait? Yes, but ethical clickbait. Make it intriguing but not misleading. Use bright colors and bold text. Look at MrBeast's thumbnails. There's a reason they work. Titles that spark curiosity. Example: AI just replaced 1,000 YouTubers. Are you next? Pattern interrupt. If your thumbnail is ugly, no one's clicking. Period. Now, if you do all this right, you'll start getting views, and views turn into money. But what's the fastest way to start making money from your channel? That's where most beginners fail. Most new YouTubers quit because they don't make money fast enough. But here's the truth. You don't need 1 million views to start earning. With affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and digital products, you can start making money before YouTube even pays you. I'll break this down in detail in another video. But for now, here's the key. Consistency beats talent. The ones who win are the ones who keep going, even when the views are low in the beginning. Now, if you really want to take this to the next level and start making serious money, you need to learn how to drive traffic to your videos fast. And that's exactly what I cover in my next video. Master Facebook ads for explosive YouTube growth. Click here, and I'll see you there.